just begin by making yourself comfortable wherever you're resting. Adjust your body until you find just the right spot, and notice the gentle support beneath you, holding you safely. And as you settle in, notice that with every gentle breath, your body can begin to loosen and unwind. And just close your eyes now if you haven't already, because with your eyes closed it's easier to focus on your inner experience and to let go just a little more. Take a deep breath in, and as you gently release it, begin to allow your eyelids to grow heavy, comfortably heavy. And imagine with each gentle, easy breath, they become just a little heavier, a little softer, a little more relaxed. And now as I count down from 5 to 1, imagine that with each number you double this sense of release. 5. Feel the comfort washing in like a gentle tide. 4. Your eyelids can grow twice as heavy, letting warmth and ease move through them. 3. Every muscle around your eyes loosening, melting away any tension. 2. Your eyelids now so comfortably relaxed, they simply want to stay closed. And 1. Perfect comfort. And you could try to open them, but why not just let them rest? And now allow that feeling of relaxation to slowly wash down from your eyes across your entire face, the cheeks, the jaw, even the tiny muscles in your forehead, all softening, all relaxing. This easy feeling moves down through your throat and neck, down through your shoulders, everything just letting go, so peacefully, so deeply relaxed. And as you continue to breathe naturally, every muscle, every fiber, every cell becoming comfortably loose, comfortably heavy with every moment. Let yourself drift and allow every word to deepen this relaxation effortlessly and easily. As you sink even further into comfort and safety, imagine now that you're standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. A staircase that leads down to a quiet, private sanctuary. A place where you can experience perfect peace and perfect security. This is your safe place, a space where change happens easily, a sanctuary for your mind and for your body. Notice the banister beneath your hands, the way the steps feel under your feet. Sunlight streams in through tall windows, filling the air with warmth and a gentle golden light. You can hear your footsteps softly echoing, and perhaps there's the scent of fresh air or a trace of wildflowers in the breeze. Every detail feels inviting and calm. And in a moment, I'll count down from 10 to 1. And with each number, allow yourself to drift deeper, like floating down the steps into a gentle, healing trance. 10, stepping down, feeling so safe, every worry growing more distant. 9, another step, the world outside gently fading. 8, with each step you're doubling your comfort, sinking further into this safe space. 7, a lightness or maybe a heaviness, whichever feels right, filling your body. 6, notice the walls lined with gentle artwork, peaceful colours, familiar and calming. 5, halfway there, the warmth of the sunlight on your skin, the gentle hush of distant birds far away, safe beyond the windows. Nothing here to disturb your peace. 4, 3, melting securely, dissolving tension, just like butter in the sun. 2, almost at the bottom. Pause a moment and realize just how tranquil you've become. The air here is different, lighter, softer, almost sparkling with possibility. And 1, stepping off into the sanctuary's heart. With every step, every number, you've drifted twice as deep, twice as comfortable. Just allow that dreamy state to wrap around you, knowing you are protected, supported, and completely at ease. And as you rest here, feeling so deeply connected with your inner peace, your subconscious mind is open, receptive, and eager for positive change. And now as you rest in this comforting place, you may begin to recognize that all feelings are simply messages from the mind, old signals, habits that once tried to keep you safe. People develop fears for all sorts of reasons, sometimes without really knowing why. And the mind holds on to these messages long after they're useful. And today, you've chosen something new. You're here now in this perfect moment to change. Imagine now, in your own way, a gentle, safe experience with the image of a bird, perhaps just a distant silhouette, far away, simply a gentle shape moving in the sky. You might notice the smoothness of its flight, the effortless flow of wings through the air. For this moment, let this image remain far off, at a comfortable distance, and you realize you're simply observing as if watching a scene from a film, without attachment, calm and curious. Whatever your past, whatever old feelings used to mean, now notice how safe you are, how deeply secure this place is. And just tell yourself now, I am safe. And as you do, allow your subconscious mind to recognize that birds are simply a part of nature, gentle, natural, just another living thing in a vast and beautiful world. For most people, birds mean freedom, grace, and lightness. And for you, from today, they can mean the same thing. And as you imagine this embedded deep in your mind, hear these powerful ideas. You can begin to see birds from a distance and feel only calm, curiosity, and comfort. As you gently allow yourself to notice a bird, remember that you are always in control. Every time you see a bird, you can feel more relaxed, more resourceful, more powerful than ever before. And now perhaps you remember a time when you were fascinated by nature, or a moment when a bird was just part of the scenery, maybe not even something you noticed at all. That quality, that feeling of being unconcerned, of being at ease, is yours now. Let that feeling settle into your bones, warm and certain. And now as you rest here listening to my voice, your mind is open and receptive, and you can begin rewriting old programs. Where there was once in the past some discomfort, now there is a neutral calm. Where there was once fear, now there is ease. Just imagine your subconscious mind like a gentle river, washing away old patterns, dissolving them into the past where they belong, leaving only spacious calm, curiosity, and gentle interest in their place. And from now on, whenever you think of birds, let your mind replay this sense of calm, this sense of ease, this sense of curiosity. And you begin to find that each time you encounter a bird, anywhere, a sense of comfortable neutrality settles in. And you might even notice, with each new day, a quiet confidence grows within you. The world feels safer, brighter, more interesting. And if there's any part of you that still hesitates, imagine now wrapping that old feeling in a gentle, soft blanket and setting it beside you in this sanctuary. You can let it rest there, knowing it no longer needs to protect you. And if you wish, just imagine it gently dissolving, fading away with every breath. And anytime you need to, you can return to this safe, calm state. And each and every day as you move through your world, your confidence grows stronger. You notice birds less and less. And when you do notice, you feel neutral, curious, perhaps even free. You are always in control of your own emotions, and your subconscious now chooses comfort without thinking. And from this moment forwards, your mind automatically responds to birds with calm, confidence, and ease. You are free from fear. You are in control. You are safe. Every cell in your body, every thought, every feeling is aligned with this new, resourceful state. And now it's time to bring this session to a close. In a moment, I'll count from 1 to 5, and as I do, you'll find yourself coming back up to full waking awareness, feeling refreshed, confident and calm, carrying all of these changes with you. 1. Becoming aware, feeling a gentle lightness in your fingers and toes. 2. Energy rising up your arms and legs, all the way to your chest. You feel calm, secure, and centered. 3. Your breath deepens, your mind brightens. You become more alert, and every part of you feels lighter, stronger, and free. 4. Take a deep, comfortable breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes a little, perhaps moving your shoulders or neck, stretching if you wish. And 5. Eyes open, feeling fully present, calm, and wonderfully awake, grounded in your space and ready for the rest of your day. And as you go about your day, your mind continues to reinforce this transformation. Each time you see or think of a bird, your new response of calm, comfort, and confidence becomes your automatic way of being. You effortlessly find new neutrality and even curiosity whenever you notice birds, and every experience proves again how free you are from your old fears. You've done powerful work today, a gift to yourself and a promise for your future. Remember that real change happened in moments like these, carried into daily life by your willingness and your courage. Come back to this session as often as you wish, knowing each time you do, your comfort and confidence will only grow stronger. And until next time, goodbye and good mental health.